Why is you looking at me like that? Why is you looking at me like that? Bro! Oh, you better quit playing with me. Stop looking at me like that. Well, because I sneezed? I got pepper in here. Why you just shaking your head and ain't saying nothing? I put a lot of pepper on here, bro. I ain't got no goddamn Rona. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. What is this on my steps? What the heck is going on out here? It's beginning to look a lot like Corona floating in the air. It's May, almost to my surprise. Snow is falling on my eyes. It must be Corona. It's beginning to look a lot like Corona, all in the air. You better take a surprise. Have your mask and don't get fries, because Corona's there. It's beginning to look a lot like Corona. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Somebody come look at this shit. Somebody look at this shit. What the fuck is going on here? What the fuck is going on? What's going on, man? What is this shit? Got the dogs barking and shit. I think you can't tell me the government ain't controlling the weather, y'all. What's today's date? It's supposed to be April showers, not motherfucking snowflakes and shit. The fuck, I'm scared to breathe this shit in. I'm going in the house. Let me shake my shit off. This some bullshit. I got dogs barking and shit. Coronavirus all in the air and shit. Oh my goodness.